Okay, volume when y squared equals 4x between these values is rotated about the x-axis and the y-axis. I'm going to do a quick sketch of this. If you square root this, you get y equals 2 root x when you square root 4x. But because you square root it's plus or minus, it's actually a parabola. So that's what it's called. So I'll give you, this comes for free. I'm just going to give you the shape of this curve here. So here's the shape of the curve then. Between 0, 0 and 1, 2. So between these points, this is rotated about the x-axis. So this is the shape we're actually rotating, not this bottom bit, just this top bit. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to just get rid of the bottom bit of the curve. Okay, because this is all we're interested in really, the positive value. Now we're rotated about the x-axis. So we generate these discs. Okay, let's have a look at those. The height of the disc is y. We're going from 0 and then to 1 of these discs. So the first volume then is pi integral pi y squared dx between x equals 0 and 1, which is equal to pi 0 and 1. Y squared is 4x. Integrate that. Raise the power by 1, divide by that number. And that's between the bounds of 0 and 1. This is just 2. So we end up with, put 1 in, you get 1 squared is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, you just get 2 pi, the next value is 0. So that volume is 2 pi. Now let's rotate this curve around, the y-axis then. I'm going to try and draw it here as best I can, and you'll get these discs generated, won't you? X. So the volume this way will be between 0 and the height when y is what, x is 1, y is 2 of pi x squared dy, isn't it? The radius is x. The thickness is delta y's. 0 to 2. Now x squared, x is equal to y squared over 4. So x squared, square both sides will be this squared, won't it? So y squared squared is y to the 4. 4 squared is 16. So we've got y to the 4 over 16 dy. Now we can do the integration because we've got y dy's. Pi y to the 5 over 5 lots of 16, which is 80, between 2 and 0. 2 to the 5 is 32, so we're only going to get 32, the top value. The bottom value will be 0. So 32 pi over 80, divide by 4, 8, 20. Divide by 2, 4 and 10. And then divide by another 2, isn't it? 2 and 5. So we've got 2 pi over 5 when we simplified the fraction.